Hello guys, welcome to KR Media. Welcome back to one more powerful video from me. Today I'm going to talk regarding the change, the subject called change. As we all know, we all need change in life. We all need a substantial growth in life. But perhaps sometimes what happens is when we are on the move in life, in our duties, in our business, in our portfolios, in our whatever kind of karmas what we do. Sometimes we struck off, or no, we just struck in some places. Sometimes we feel things are not working the way I want. Now, that's one statement, or that's one scenario where a change is most important and dominant. Now, as we all know, the world is changing in rapid fire. From offline, people are moving to online. From table, things are going to online. So, are you changing yourself? That's what you need to understand, and think about it. We need to understand. We need to think about it. If you have not yet decided to change, the world will change, and you will remain where you are right now, and that matters the most. Because in growth, you have to always update yourself and upgrade yourself. So if you want to change yourself, you need to change your thought process, you need to change your attitude, you need to change the way of implementations, you need to accept the change, you need to accept the technology, you need to accept the willingness to do something unique. You have to be totally different from what others are. And when you do that, definitely things will work the way you want in your life, and definitely you will get success in your life. Change begins in yourself. So if you want to bring a change in your life, you have to accept that you want to grow in your life. You need to love yourself. You need to enjoy your work. You need to love your work. And when you are passionate towards your dreams, when you have a burning desire, when you are passionate towards your dreams, and when you are truly focused where you want to reach in your life, the change will start building in yourself, and that change will make you to move in your life, and definitely you will achieve any wonders what you want in your life. So be the change to change the world. Never stop, never quit. Forget the world what they are thinking about you. Forget the world what they are going to talk about you. This is none of your business. You just think about your future, think about your goals, think about your, just focus on your dreams. Definitely, great days are going to come in your life. I wish you all the best. You all are going to win in your life. If you truly loved this video, I urge you to please click on the subscribe button below. Please subscribe, share with all your friends, give your reviews and comments down, and make this video viral. I'll be coming up with such great subjects in front of you. My duty is to bring a brightness in your life. That's what I'm doing it. So, wish you all the best. God bless you. Keep smiling and have a great day.